cold drops fall, but I don't feel a thing. My heart's too numb, my tears still sting. Whispers echo from the past I knew. The rain hides what I can undo. Every step feels heavy tonight. The streetlights blur, they fade from sight. I'm just a ghost in my own skin, drowning slow, again, again. I'm crying and hiding under the rain, so no one sees, so no one blames. The thunder knows what I can't say. I'm breaking quietly, fading away. Yeah, I'm crying and hiding under the rain, 'cause it's the only thing that feels the same. I see reflections, but they lie. A stranger stares with hollow eyes. If love was fire, I burned too long. Now ashes hum my favorite song. Every scar's a story untold. Every truth feels way too cold. I laugh so no one sees the pain, and let the storm erase my name. I'm crying and hiding under the rain, so no one sees, so no one blames. The thunder knows what I can't say. I'm breaking quietly, fading away. Yeah, I'm crying and hiding under the rain. It's easier than facing the pain. Maybe someday I'll learn to feel when the wounds decide to heal. But for now I'll stay this way, lost beneath the sky of gray. I'm crying and hiding under the rain, letting go of what remains. If you find me, don't call my name. Just let me fade, just let me stay.